75 degrees Celsius. And so if I take a few chunks out of here,
Where you get that from?
where do I buy it? You can see
Oh my God! I
dry
want to touch
ice is actually,
Yes, I want to touch it.
you can't, it'll burn you.
It burns.
No. Guys, listen, please.
With one finger?
Guys, please listen.
No, like
I'd love to get
like
through
if
all
you
this fun
were
stuff
burned
that
by
I've got
fire,
prepared, but I'm
same
not
thing.
going to.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we've got about 20 minutes left. Let me get through this, please.
But where you get it from?
So dry ice, which you can buy at Kroger often, especially around Halloween, it costs about $1.29 a pound, is solid carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide has the formula, Alex, CO2. Carbon and then 2 oxygens. And what kind of terrence, what kind of bond would exist between carbon? Well, just try and listen and try and answer, okay? The worst thing you can do is get it wrong. It's not a big deal. Carbon is a nonmetal.
No.
Oxygen is a nonmetal. If you have 2 nonmetals, that would be exactly a covalent bond. And the covalent bond of carbon dioxide, in this case, is actually one with some unique properties. Carbon dioxide does not ever really exist in a liquid form. It only exists in solid and gas forms. And so when I take a big chunk and I drop it into some water, what happens right away is it starts sort of boiling off and turning into gas. And this is gas and water vapor that you see here. Or I can do something else. I can take a chunk of it and put it in a glass. And I'm just going to scoop some up. I can just take some, and actually it gets so cold that I'm a little bit worried about cracking the glass. And I can shake it up, put my hand over it, and I can generate some carbon dioxide gas. It's going to stay in here when I shake it up. And what do you think that I can do with carbon dioxide gas in a candle? Anybody have a guess?
Fire.
You think I can make fire?
Yes.
Is carbon dioxide flammable?
No.
What do we use carbon dioxide inside of that pertains to fire?
Process.
Maybe you guys don't know this. Fire extinguishers. Right. Most fire extinguishers contain carbon dioxide in them. Because when you take carbon dioxide and you pour it, isn't that weird how I can take something that's not even a liquid and pour it? It's because the gas is heavier than air.
Are you pouring it? It's not liquid.
Because it's heavier than air. And so even though it's a gas, it still settles like a liquid because, again, it's heavier than air. So I always thought that was cool, and so did Dr. Acula. Anyway. So all that stuff about fire got me thinking, what are some important rules?